That's the station. So we are here to spend, I think, about 2 days. It's a small town slash village. So, okay, where are we going first?
We go to the East Tower Castle Museum and we go to the church.
We are here.
Yeah.
So nothing here. So we'll go to the tower, is it? Okay, let's go. We are going to the Press Tower,
The Press
Museum and Tower. It's a castle, is it?
Yeah, castle.
It's a castle.
Rye Castle.
Okay, so yeah, a lot of cobbled streets here. So yeah, that's the tower.
Can you take a picture?
Tour guide, this tour guide was wrong. So this is not the Press Tower, this is the Church of St. Mary's of Rye.
The Press Star of Rye.
Okay, that's the Press Tower, spelled as YPRES, and yeah, I think you can see the docks behind that as well. So let's go. Oh, okay, it's heavy. Okay, we are done with our lunch and we are just walking around in the town. Then we're on our way out to our stay, which is what? King's
Head Inn.
King's Head Inn. So it's about 10-minute walk. So, 10. We had a quick nap and now we'll be walking back to Rye. Let's see if I can fly some drone. I think I found a safe spot to start. So that's it. I think we'll just be walking around the town today until dinner, and we'll be back here tomorrow. Yes, we'll be going towards the beach. See you. morning, day 2 from Rye. We will be going back to the Mermaid Street, which we showed you yesterday. So it should be way better to look at today thanks to the sunlight here. Yeah, we've been lucky with 2 sunny days back to back. And then we'll be heading to the Winchelsea beach. It's a bus ride, I think about half an hour. Slight change of plan. The beach I've been talking about since yesterday, we can't really go because there is no public transport. The cabs we feel is quite expensive. We'll be chilling out now in this town again with the pretty sights and sunlight and call it a day. It's a 2-hour journey back home, and see you in the next trip. Bye.